Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing your data. Back up documents and media to an external drive or cloud, and verify the copy finished. Next, sign out of accounts and record product keys and 2FA details so you can restore access later. Once done, plug the laptop into power and connect Ethernet or reliable Wi-Fi. Make sure the battery is above 20% and you have at least 10% free disk for temporary files. Now, proceed to the recovery interface for the reset. You'll access the recovery environment through settings or a boot key. Follow on-screen prompts to reach Reset This PC. Choose between keeping files or removing everything. Pick Remove Everything for a clean factory state or when transferring ownership. Then decide Reinstall Source. Local reinstall is faster, but cloud download replaces corrupted files and fetches the latest image. It uses more data. Make selections deliberately. Review listed apps that will be removed, and you wait patiently as the reset runs. Do not close the lid or cut power. The process can take 20 minutes to 2 hours with multiple restarts. Once you reach first time setup, recreate accounts, install updates and device drivers, and restore your backed up files. If the reset fails, errors loop, or the system won't boot, create a bootable USB recovery drive on another computer and perform a clean install. That fixes corrupt partitions and lets you reformat the drive before reinstalling the OS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.